Hi friends! We had a big problem at our house today. We ran out of pizza. And a lot of us can't get to the store right now. And so I told my daughter Sydney, let's just make some pizza on our own using the ingredients that we have at our house. And so we had some biscuit dough. I'm going to put this down here so you can see the ingredients that we did have. We had some of this biscuit dough. You might have bagels, or you might have English muffins. Use what you have for the crust. So Sydney made some already. Sydney made some, and we're about to put it in the oven. I have the oven preheated. And so why don't I hold this up a little bit high, and can you show them how to put together two more right here?
Ooh, this one's
show them how to make it. Okay, so she's putting the dough down. Great job. She's putting the dough down. And then, what are you going to put next?
Well,
on top of the dough goes sauce.
And I put some tomatoes on it.
So can you spoon some sauce onto these two? I'm going to show you what we're using, friends. This is not pizza sauce. We didn't have pizza sauce at our house, but we do have pasta sauce. Yeah, tomato sauce. So we're using that. We're just using what we have. It's still going to be so delicious.
Yeah, you can make the biscuits also out of like English muffins or bagels too.
Yeah. What do you put on after the tomato sauce?
Well, if you have like tomatoes or anything, you could put those on top.
A topping, okay.
But,
and then
we have some cheese.
Whoa, that's
shredded cheese.
Yep.
This cool spoon.
Just put it right on there.
Yep, and put some.
We have mozzarella cheese, but you could use cheddar cheese. You could use anything.
Yep.
And that's it. I'm going to put this in the oven. So friends, you could make this at home, this delicious recipe by yourself. You could make pizza and it'll be so good. Just make sure that you ask a grown-up to what?
To put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven. We made some earlier. Sydney's going to try a bite. Let's see. Oh, how is it?
Good.
Good. This is what it looks like. One more shot. That's what it looks like. I want to hear about you bakers making some at home. Bye-bye.